Okay folks, so this one is even more cutesy pie than the last one. I Love You More Than Chocolate, no less, by Vaporpunk. I'm going to put all of these that I've done the last couple of days in one podcast over on my iServalan station. So if you prefer doing that than sort of pressing buttons and, you know, going through a list, that is the answer. So enjoy this one. It's free to use, as always, and no copyright restrictions in the public domain. Free to sample, free to change, free to sell, whatever you want to do. It's just yours.
I love you. I love you more than chocolate.